Hi there. It's not a great angle. We could use better lighting, but oh well. This is where Coco wanted to start recording. Coco is a talent, so she decides. Right, Coco? Right. Coco's like, just point the camera and make sure you focus. Because when you move and you don't focus, everyone can tell. Super blurry. Right, Coco? Coco's posing right now. Too busy to talk. Sorry, Coco, did I startle you? I know. There's someone coughing outside. It's okay, Coco. Coco's alert bear. I think it's our next door neighbor, Coco. Sometimes he coughs. You okay, Coco? Okay. I know. It's okay, Coco. No need to be scared. Time to plop. Oh, cute.